Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that what if the central organizations, banks, government, and so on and so forth, so centralized authorities, will have too much power over your wealth and you cannot get your money. And here's an example that actually investor Mark Mobius says he cannot get his money out of China. And because of this news, I would like to talk about this a little bit, because this is one of the reasons why we learn about crypto and educate ourselves. Then we have here Jerome Powell, who's going to talk today and tomorrow, and his speech can again move the market, which is being flat for a couple of days. And we have nuclear power Bitcoin mining actually begun its operation, TerraWolf, and yeah, this is the very first nuclear powered Bitcoin mining facility in the United States. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, if you would like to keep yourself up to date, then very simple, in crypto and blockchain, then subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every day, as you see, you're getting a couple of videos, short videos, longer videos, to be and to stay up to date, because I think that's crucial in this market. So subscribe, bell button, all, that's it. And then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. And first, let's visit the market, how the crypto market looks like. Well, Bitcoin is basically where yesterday, it hasn't moved. Ethereum, about the same. So Ethereum $1,565, Bitcoin 22,391 $. When we're looking at here the winners, well, Engine Coin up a bit more than 3%. On the second place, GMX up 2.2 kinda. Yeah, Phantom, that's it. Not a strong day for sure. This is what the top 100 looks like. And when we're looking at the losers, then we have Synthetics going down about 8.5%. After that, following Maker and Stacks with 4% about. When we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see that actually, yes, this is totally flat. We're not going up, we're not going down. However, we attached to this line for a while, and actually Jerome Powell is going to talk today and also tomorrow. This is going to be one of the topics I would like to discuss, which could move the market actually soon, but we will see which direction. Yes, okay, now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is now it's an example, as Mark Mobius cannot get out his money out of China, cannot get his money, and this actually gives us a teaser. What if the centralized authorities having simply too much power and you cannot get your money? And this could actually be a bigger and bigger problem in the future. So let's talk about that. So first of all, let's look at this example. So investor Mark Mobius says he cannot get his money out of China. So Mark Mobius has said he cannot take his money out of China due to the, let's zoom in, country's capital controls, cautioning investors to be very, very careful about investing in an economy under a tight government grip. I have an account with HSBC in Shanghai. I can't take my money out. The government is restricting flow of money out of the country. Was saying that I can't get an explanation of why they are doing this. They are putting all kinds of barriers. They don't say no, you can get your money out, but they say give us all the records from 20 years of how made this money. This is crazy. So bottom line is that, and the reason I would like to talk about this, bottom line is, imagine the future, having the CBDCs, which is totally programmable money. Now we're already facing this kind of problems, but after that, everything will be under control, digitalized. So you won't have, money at home, like cash or something like this. And well, this is very important. That's why it's very important to learn about Bitcoin, crypto, because they can do this in centralized system. They cannot do this with Bitcoin. And yes, we don't know the clear future of crypto, of Bitcoin. We don't know what's going to happen. Yes, it's risky, but we do see that what's going to happen, almost for sure, the full control what these authorities are having, you name them, banks, central banks, governments, and so on and so forth. This is definitely risky. And as soon as everything will get digitalized, that will give them actually full power, full control, and it will make lives very difficult. And yes, I always say that you should educate yourself and understand how the whole system works, what the future we're going, but you shouldn't be blind. And yes, there is a risk involved in crypto, but also it's risk involved if we just continue just like this, as we are. And you choose that you choosing just one side, that's risky as well, but to explore the other side and look for opportunities could save your life later a little bit. But yeah, everybody should do its own homework. However, these are just things I would like to highlight because these things just simply don't look good. Right. Second thing I would like to discuss is Jerome Powell talking today, tomorrow, and will the market move? Well, we will see. So we do know that the market is many times waiting for Jerome Powell to say something, and depends what he's saying, the market will move up or down. It has happened so many times in the past. And now we have him talking again today and tomorrow. And when we're looking at here Bitcoin, we can see it's totally flat since the 3rd of March, so the last couple of days. So this speech actually can make a move in push Bitcoin in one of the directions. I'm not saying it's for certain, but we will see. Bottom line, analysts are saying that trading any speech is tough. So I would be reacting and not anticipating. Probably this is the best to do. You wait, and depends what he's saying, depends on the market, which direction is going. That's your move. So the stock market bounced. This is what I wanted to read. So Powell will deliver the latest semi-annual report on monetary policy and the economy on Tuesdays, this is today, to the Senate Banking Committee, and on Wednesday to the House Financial Services Panel. Both hearings begin at 10 a.m. Eastern time, which is here in Hungary, where I'm broadcasting 4 p.m. If you're watching from Hungary. Powell's testimony will probably be his last public remarks before the next policy meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC meeting, which will be held on March 21st, 22nd, and on the 22nd will be, of course, the press conference. So yes, it could be important. It could push the market further down or actually move it up. Depends what he's saying. Yes, they will increase with 25 basis points. No, they will do it with 50 basis points. Question mark. It's really just no point to guessing. We should actually really reacting rather than anticipating. I totally agree with this statement. Right. Okay. And the next topic. The next topic is all about that. The very first nuclear power Bitcoin mining facility in the US has begun its operation. So, nuclear powered Bitcoin mining in the United States has just begun. So, TerraWolf starts nuclear-powered Bitcoin mining with nearly 8,000 rigs at Nautilus facility. So the miner also said it expects to reach 5.5 exahash per second of computing power across its two sites by early in the second quarter. So this is the prediction, what they're going to reach. Bottom line is that it has begun operation at its Nautilus crypto mine facility. You know, this is with nearly 8,000 mining rigs online, representing computing power, or, you know, a hash rate of about 1 exahash per second. So this is what we have here right now. And now Tillis will significantly lower TeraWulf's energy cost, by the way, with the company having secured a power agreement for 2 cents per kilowatt hour of power for 5 years, which you know, brings its average energy cost down to 4 cents kilowatt per hour across its 2 facilities. That's much lower than the US industrial average, which is 9 cents kilowatt per hour. So this is very important, that, you know, energy is very expensive now. And now this is nuclear powered Bitcoin mining with low cost energy, which probably could be one of the key for its success. And yes, this era has started, the very first one in the United States. So guys, that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button. And also, if you would like to stay up to date, simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every day you're getting a couple of new videos, short videos, longer videos, to stay up to date. It's very important, I think. So subscribe, bell button. Oh, that's the only thing you have to do to participate in a way that then you will get the notifications. And yes, tomorrow I'm back with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye.